In this episode of Cigar Boss, we're going to go over the TechMax LED bulb. This is going to be the best thing you get for your Jeep Patriot, I promise. Now let's take a look.
Welcome back to Cigar Boss, my fellow bosses. Today we're going to go over the Jeep Patriot and the new LEDs that are coming out. As you guys know, I do have the world's smallest LED. I did have. Here's what they look like. These were pretty good. Not bad. However, there's now an LED set out there that's a lot better than this. And since then, I have taken these and tossed them away. The new LEDs are by TechMax. These right here. These things are beautiful. These things are probably the best LEDs that I have come across. Let me throw the site where I got them. Yes, it's Amazon. The reason why these are the best, these are the only LEDs I've come across where I have not had to adjust them owning a Jeep Patriot. Those of you that own Jeep Patriots know what I'm talking about. Sometimes you have to adjust the LED lights. They're too bright for other people. These right here are perfectly seated, okay, where your lights are level. And I'm going to show you exactly what they look like. Hold on. Now, as you see the pattern here, as soon as I start lights on, look at how perfectly level they are. They will not blind drivers which are in front of you, or oncoming drivers, the ones that are coming towards you. Then when you turn your high beams on, there's the blast. High beam, low beam. For those of you that are curious, yes, I did switch out my fog lights to yellow over blue.
And now, here's what this beauty looks like. Look at that. It does have its own little resistor, which, by the way, does not interrupt your radio. I still highly recommend getting the let me get it out of here. I still highly recommend getting the canvas decoder. Still using it. I'm not gonna have that on-off thing happen. Just make sure that you know that when you do the connectors, as you connect your light to your canvas decoder, the canvas decoder part, as you see, I've had to zip tie down, and I'm not too worried about it. I always have a knife in my car. And it's beautiful. I really have no words for this thing. I'm happy that they made it. As you can see, there is a little fan. Fan keeps it nice and cool. There's copper, there's black. And as you see, all the little cutouts right there. It goes into its space perfectly. And the high-low work, fantastic. This is the best product on the market. If you own a Jeep Patriot, you're gonna wanna upgrade to these LEDs. Highly recommend them. So, the bottom line is, if you own a Jeep Patriot, this is the product. This has to be your first upgrade. LED lights this company. Forget all the other ones I have recommended to you. Every year they keep upgrading the LED. This is the best year to get it. Love you guys. Subscribe, hit like, hit share. See you in the next video. Cigar Boss out.